So the government has provided funding to every county in the United States to help with water line replacement. So here's a link that will show you about the program. But basically, the line from the street going into your home, if the homes were built, a long time ago, those are lead-based pipe. They're old. There will be lead going into your home, into your water. And the government has, I don't know the spending package, I'm sure it's in the billions, has provided each county. So like City of Chicago, you can Google City of Chicago Water Replacement Program. If you make under a certain income, they will replace that water line for free. If you make over the amount of the income, they will still discount the permits if you wanted to replace, the water line. So there's going to be an advantage if it's something that you're interested in doing to prevent lead from getting into, your drinking water. It's amazing because I just learned about the program a few months back. It was easy for me to find it in the city of Chicago, but then I just started Googling different cities like Stager, Illinois, or, Rockford, Illinois. Every county received money. And if you're under the income threshold, it's literally a free replacement. So if you have any questions on it, obviously feel free to reach out to me. I can help you, but you can also just Google it and try to find it on your own. Just trying to help people improve their property, get more value, and just add tips and value to my subscribers. Remember, I'm here for all your mortgage needs. While I do renovation lending, I also do move-in ready. So if you're unsure whether you want to get a fixer-upper or a move-in ready, I can handle both. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more news, market updates, and opportunities to save money.